During the first weekend of our stay in Assam, we are at Kaziranga National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park hosts two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceroses.
We are inside Kaziranga taking a safari on a nice gypsy. Other options you have to take elephant safari, but that starts pretty early in the morning, and getting reservation also is little tough. It was raining earlier today, but now weather is improving. We have removed our hood and enjoying the safari. I can see some deer on my left. You can see the other gypsies in front of us. These are petrol gypsies, and you need some kind of skills to drive on this kind of roads. I see one rhino there. Though the weather is not that great, but still I see so many gypsies here in front of us as well as following us. And now we are crossing a small bridge here inside Kaziranga National Park. Our friend Mr. Rhino is sleeping here. The deer is sitting here nicely.
Eating grass.
There is an elephant here. It's a big one. We see an elephant here. Visita, do you see an elephant?
Yes, I do.
Is it a big one?
Yes. Big.
We are still inside Kaziranga National Park. Roads inside the Kaziranga National Park. These are maintained by Forest Department. For every gypsy they charge rupees 300 as a road tax for maintaining these roads inside the park. You can see the rhino still sleeping, same place. That's a rhino. So we are almost at the destination. From here we'll take the turn back. Because it has started raining, so now some roads are closed where vehicle cannot go. That's where now the duration or distance is shorter than a normal season. And the park will be closed, I think, in another few weeks. And then again it will reopen somewhere in October. I see our two kids are enjoying their ride, Disita and Disant. So we had a good time here in Kaziranga. I still see gypsies are coming inside for the safari. Morning safari is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and I think afternoon it is 1 to 5.
I have
Little rough road ahead of us. Okay, no issues with these gypsies. Our friend elephant is taking a bath here inside Kaziranga National Park. Not sure if it's feeling cold or not. Weather is really cold here. We see another rhino here, a little far, but hopefully you can see it. This is Kaziranga's pride, one-horn rhino. We see here few elephants, so they are playing with mud. Couple more there. At this time we have finished our safari and exiting from Kaziranga National Park area. This is the gate.